Hi everyone, welcome back to CodeCrunch. In our previous video, we have discussed about the data type conversion that is int, float, odd, hexa, octal, complex, string, eval, chr, tuple, test, list, dict, data type conversion. If you want to know about these methods in detail, just watch the data type conversions video in our CodeCrunch channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the input format and output format in Python. Now, generally we give input input in the program itself, but I want to give I want to give input in the output. That is nothing but at the time of execution, we want to give input. How it is possible? It is possible just by using the input method. The method is nothing but which reads input from the user. So user can give input and we have a inbuilt function called input in the Python. Let's take x equals to input. This is the method we are going to use for the input user or user input. Next, print x. If you see, it is showing or it is asking to enter the uh, value. So let's enter Python. So the Python is printed as it is. Let's see the data type of this Python. So as you see, the it is showing a string data type. Let's give other value and see the output. So I'm giving int value, but even if we give int, it is showing string. Why? It is simple inference. So in Python, the input method only takes the data in the form of string. So we want to give integer or other data types. How it is possible? Just converting this input method into the data type we need. So I'm using int. So as we know, this is the data type conversion method. Inside the int, we are writing the input method. And let's see what happens. So now I'm going to give input and so it is showing as input value into data type. So if we want to give float, just changing it into the float data type. Now it is showing the float data type. Let's print all of this in detail. So, as we know, we are giving int or we are going to give float, we are printing. But how we can understand what type of data we need to give in the output or the terminal? For understanding better, we can use the text to what data we need to give. Let's write enter into value. So this makes us clear what type of value we need to give in the output. For printing of or giving the value of a string, no need of it converting the data type. As the input function takes everything in the string data type, we can directly use this input method for printing string, enter string data or enter string value. So it is clear, it is showing that enter into value. We can understand what type of value we need to give in the output. So now I can clearly give input. No. So we need to enter the float value. Next we need to enter the string value. That's it. This is simple how to use the input method. Now let's discuss the output method. As you see, we are just giving the direct variable value or direct values are given. For better understanding, we use this text for in the output method also. Output method is nothing but the print method. So I'm going to, it is done just by using the two double quotes for writing the text and for writing or separating the text and the variables using the operator or using the symbol comma. So this int value is how colorful our program is looking. So it is asking to enter the enter value and it is showing in the output int value is 77 and the data type is int. Next, asking me to enter the float value. Let's enter and after that it is saying float value is 56.9 and the data type is float. Asking to enter string value. And string value is Python and data type is Python. That's it guys, just it is simple to use the input and output method in Python. I think this video helps to understand the input method and output method in the Python. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CodeCrunch for more videos on Python and the uh, videos of Java are also available. Share it with your friends. See you in the next video.